How to use Ecwid for beginners tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with Ecwid as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to ecwid.com, and ecwid.com is basically a platform for you to begin your e-commerce journey. So if you want to create any kind of online store or online website to sell your products or your services, you can create it using Ecwid, and Ecwid is like a free version of Shopify. So to get started, you're just going to click on get started for free over here at the top right or at the center over here. And you're going to have to fill out your email and your basic login. Once you do that, this is going to be your Ecwid dashboard. So I have already logged in. Now, it's a very simple sign-in process. All you have to do is enter your email, or you can continue with your Facebook or your Google or your Apple ID. So you can use any three of those platforms as well to sign up for Ecwid. So once you have signed up for Ecwid, this is going to be your basic dashboard. And over here, you're going to see on your left, you have your dashboard, you have your sales panel, you have your catalog, marketing, and reports. Then you have your sales channel. So you have your website, Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, mobile, and other channels like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Google Shopping, and Amazon and eBay. Then you have your configuration. So your design, your payment, your shipping and pickup setup, your settings, and then your general apps. So your app integrations too. Get started with creating your e-commerce store on Ecwid. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto your website section. I already have created this website, but what you're just going to do is you're going to click on preview site so you can view what your website is currently looking like, and you can actually customize it accordingly. So this is like the empty little template that I have applied on my website. Now you start designing your website. On the site appearance, you're just going to click on edit, and then you can start editing your site. So you can see over here, this is like a basic little template. Now, what you can do to get started with designing your website is that first off, you can choose what your site blocks are. So let's say if I go onto the cover, I can change the cover and, customize the cover. You can choose different blocks within your website. And if you go into your settings section over here, you can also click on site templates. And from here, you can choose different templates to start customizing. So these templates are pretty good. You can choose anyone that fits your needs the best, or you can even start from scratch. Now I'm going to go with the Bingo Bolds template. I'm just going to click on use template. I'm going to click on continue with template. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize this. So I'm going to make this a bit different. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and click on the header, and I'm going to click on content, and I'm going to change the header content. I'm going to delete this image, and I'm going to add text instead, and I'm going to add my site name, which is going to be Jane's Food Journal or Jane's Food Delivery, like that. I'm just going to go on back and back. And then for the cover, I'm going to go into the cover section. Now I'm going to change the title into Homemade Food for All. And then you can add a description on the bottom as well, but I'm going to skip that. And you can click on change image over here to change the image. So I'm going to keep the image. I think it looks pretty good. Now below that, this is like the next section, the about us section. And if you want to remove any section, you can. So you can just click on delete block over here, and this will delete the block. Then you have the menu section. So on the featured products, I have like these two products previously added. So this is what the content is currently looking like. I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to show you guys later on how this is going to be changed. Now below that, I want to remove all of these sections. So I'm just going to go and select this, and I'm just going to click on delete block. I'm going to go into all these other blocks, and I'm going to delete them. So I'm going to remove the footer show as well. And I'm going to click on the location. I'm going to delete that block as well, because I just want to keep this like a simple little tutorial so it's easier for you guys to understand on how to add and remove stuff. So we're just going to remove this over here. Now you can see this is what the page looks like currently. Now to change different pages, what you're going to do, like I removed a bunch of blocks. Maybe I want to add more blocks. So to add another block, you can click on add block over here, and you can add what kind of block you want. You can choose that, or you can click on add over here and then start off with any kind of block over here as well. So you have different samples of different blocks that you can add and then customize on your own. Now after that, if you want to edit any kind of page, you can just click on the page and then you can view and browse it. Now below that, you have your settings, and then over here you can reorder the blocks as well. So if you want to move one block above the other or something like that, like after you finish all of your design elements, you're just going to click on publish over here. Once you click on publish, you have your site available. So your website or your e-commerce store is basically now available. So over here, I have the menu or the products. Now, how do you actually add these products on over here? So I want to change this and I want to write like a actual food menu. So to do that, you're going to go back into Ecwid. And from Ecwid, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the catalog over here. And then you're going to go into your products, and I'm going to delete these previous products that I have over here. I'm just going to delete selected, and I'm going to remove these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my new product. So first thing you can do is import your products, or if you have a CSV file or any other kind of file, then you can import it directly from there. If you don't, you can just click on add new product. And then I'm just going to name it hot and star soup. I'm just going to give it some price, $12. So I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to add a couple of different products, and I don't have any images, so I'm just going to leave that. But obviously you're going to add your own images and you're going to add your own attributes options. You have all of these different options that you can add. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But I'm just going to add a bunch of names. I can say cold soup noodles, like that, and I'm just going to click on save. Just like that, you're just going to keep on adding your product, and just like that, my products are currently enabled and in stock. Now if I go back onto my online store and I refresh my store over here, and you can see my menu has been changed. So as soon as I enter my products over here on my actual Ecwid dashboard, my products are automatically being updated on my website. So this is how easy it is to set up your basic little e-commerce store using Ecwid. Now, Ecwid is great to start your business, but there are a few limitations. So, although it provides you a great dashboard, a great navigation panel, the payment system, the shipping and pickup, all of that is great. You have like great reporting on analytics. There are some limitations to the free version of Ecwid. Starting with their pricing, you can see over here on the free version of Ecwid, although it's free, you can only add 3 products. So, that's a bit annoying. If you have to upgrade, if you have to add more products, if you want to promote your products with like different features, if you want like a bunch of different things, you can't really do that on the free version. On the free version, you can only add, I'm sorry, I said 3, but actually I want to correct myself. You can add only 10 products. So if your product catalog is larger than 10, if you're selling more than 10 items at a time, you can't really do that on the free version of Ecwid. You're gonna have to upgrade starting at $12.50 per annual, or if you bill it monthly, then it's going to be $15, where you can add more products. And the other features are pretty much the same, honestly. The only limitation with the free version is the amount of products. And if you take a look, then you can add 100 products on the $12 version. So I do recommend that if you have like a very small menu or a very small catalog of products, then you can start with the free version and upgrade as it goes. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.